Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to unlock application on Infinix Hot 4i device. Well, if you have previously locked an application for security purposes but no longer need it to be locked, unlocking it allows for easier and quicker access to the application without having to enter a pattern each time. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Well, so here scroll a little bit and select password and security option. Okay, and now look for app lock and tap on it. Okay, so in this page, you will see the lock app and simply tap on the application to unlock it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to unlock application on Infinix Hot 4i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you. And then turn it on like this.